In this video, I'll guide you through how to block keywords on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To block any keywords on Google Chrome, first you have to open Google Chrome browser and search for an extension called block site. Now open the first extension, click on Add to Chrome, then Add extension. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to add the extension on your browser. After installing the Chrome extension, you will come to this page. Now you need to click on Start using block sites, and you can skip their plan. Now you accept their terms and conditions. Now you need to click on Add to block list, then type your keyword. Now you scroll down. After you come to the keyword to block section, you need to click on plus button and click on done. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily block keyword on Google Chrome.